faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am coming to you in the afternoon. It's early afternoon, about 20 minutes before 4 p.m. and I'm just getting a chance to go hosa. I'm just getting a chance to talk to you guys because I had a busy morning. I had a very busy morning. Just to give you guys a rundown, I woke up this morning, get Tyler ready for school.
All ready for school? Say morning. Say morning.
Morning.
Tell sister bye bye. Look at her. See brother telling you bye bye. Sarah.
Bye bye. Sarah.
She's something else.
What about the train? I think I can have some learning.
All right, have a good day at school. Bye.
Bye.
Go.
Not cold. I will take breakfast before taking.
Babe dropped him while I look after Sarah, and I got my workout in. That and I had to go on the road with babe, so I went on the road and go to the post office real quick because I had a package at the post office that I needed to pick up, so I got that. And then I went to the supermarket. I went to the grocery store, to the fruits and vegetables supermarket, and pick up my goodies and got back home and got home and fed Sarah. Babe had lunch, I had lunch, got a little work done, and I was just so tired. I finally put Sarah down for a nap, and now she's napping. That's where I'm at right now. So take that all in, and I still got a lot to do around here. But now that Sarah is taking a nap, it is my chance to clean a bit the kitchen and look after dinner. I need to decide what's for dinner and go get Tyler. It's either me gonna get Tyler or babe gonna get Tyler because baby's home today. And Mondays these days, babe will be home working from home on a Monday. So he'll be able to do school runs for me sometime. But that's what's going on. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, and staying motivated. And if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Yeah, so I'm going to jump in and get some stuff done. I promised Tyler that I was gonna save the supermarket haul for him, but I think I'm not going to, because when he comes home he's gonna have snack and he wants to go to the pool, so I think he won't have any time to do this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys a few things that I picked up at the fruits and vegetable store. It wasn't much, but yeah, let me just show you guys what I got. So I got some tomatoes, what do you call it? Let's not have that debate right now. I pick up some fresh thyme. I love the smell of fresh thyme. And I got green beans. No Tyler to give you the antiques of the supermarket haul. I got sweet potatoes and apples. Apple. Me some celery. Tyler would say it's tree. I got cereal for babe. I got carrots. lettuce, avocado. Let's see what's in here. And I got a few cucumbers and a few kiwi. So that's all the little things that I picked up. Now I'm gonna go rinse off these things and pack them away and decide what for dinner so I can be well on my way. Away. Sorry, Zoe. Well, babe gone to do school run for me to get Thai. She's having her bottle. Snack time. Snack time. She's so whiny when she wakes up. Look at her. See that face? Drinking your bottle. Oh, she finished her bottle. Then she's gonna have one compote, pure fruit, all of it. My girl is a big girl. I'm not even squeezing it, she's sucking it by herself. Yeah. Full tummy, yeah. Yeah, full tummy. Now I'm waiting for my little chatterbox to reach home. My little parrot to reach home. When he reach home, he's alone talking. My gosh. When he's not in the house feels so empty without him. Waiting for brother. Papa going to get brother. Brother soon come. Where are you heading? Huh? Where are you heading? Where are you heading? You went gone and now you want to come back? Bye-bye. Look at your stomach. Can somebody tell me what is going on here? Yeah. He's home from school. Something that he had fell in Sarah's playpen and he turned over the bed to get it, and he's enjoying having the bed down there. He doesn't want to put it back up. Him and Sarah was in there playing. Look at him. Tyler, don't do that. You'll break the mesh like how you break here.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Hello, who are you? I'm Rainbow. Hello, who are you? I'm Rainbow. Who are you? I'm Rainbow. Boo boo, peekaboo, 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 peekaboo.
She's so happy to like home. Look at her. She's so happy Tyler is home.
Peekaboo.
You just wanna go play with brother? Tyler! Oh, Tyler. Tyler!
What did you eat for lunch?
What did I eat for lunch? I eat a little bit of tuna salad and one sausage barbecue from yesterday and one chicken barbecue from yesterday.
And you know what I eat?
What did you eat?
For the first thing, I only had bread and cheese.
You had bread and cheese at school?
Yes,
And
at
what
first
else?
at canteen.
Okay.
After I eat,
I ate
pasta.
what else?
And a different little sausage.
Sausage!
Yes, just like you.
So why are you squeezing my face?
Just like you.
You miss me today?
Yes.
You miss me?
Yes.
I miss you too.
Okay, so
You listened to your teacher today?
yes.
You didn't give any trouble?
Yes.
You sure?
Love you.
Let she come in there with you.
La 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 la, dis-moi. Go to work, tell me to.
Who you calling? Papa? You calling Papa or Sarah? Papa?
You think so?
Who you calling? Papa? Tyler won't give her a break. Lord, Ty, don't squeeze her up.
How can I spell?
C-A-C-A.
Oh, I thought the K-A-K-A.
Ty, Jesus Christ. And she love it. Look at her. She loved doing that, you see. Get it, Sarah. Not cooking because I realized that I have so many little containers in the fridge with food, so I ended up not cooking today for dinner. However, you guys haven't seen this man all day.
And I was there all day.
And he was home all day, but I was so busy I didn't even pick the camera up myself. He just finished working out and I think he's going somewhere now. Where are you going?
I go to the pool.
When you going to the pool?
I go to the pool. Well, I want to go to Tyler, but Tyler is here eating, so we need to finish to eat. Otherwise, we won't go. So
I'm thirsty.
that's why you say,
But
water.
I cook for one person. I cook for
No.
Sarah
Apple juice is after.
Sarah's lunch for a few days is carrots and chicken, and then dinner for a few days is zucchini and broccoli. So yeah, her food is here and already. She's gonna have this now for dinner in about 10 minutes. But yeah, we're freestyling tonight. The only thing that I had really cooked was some potato, because I have chicken here. I have, what else I have here? More different types of chicken and sausages and all kind of fandangles. So yeah. You see it from morning?
Of course, they see me from morning.
Where?
Every time you see me, you ask, oh, you didn't see him from morning. Hi guys, we're coming down to the end of the day. It's after 11, almost 11:30 p.m. And tomorrow, it's a brand new day. Walk, Tyler, Sarah, workout. Everybody have his own things to do. So yeah, I hope you had a good day. We had a good day. I finally went to the pool with Tyler.
Oh yeah.
We were alone in the pool. The water was hot, and oh, that was cool.
I can't wait to go.
So yeah.
I'm here making my breakfast for tomorrow morning. My favorite breakfast. They don't like it. Why I'm don't like my breakfast?
Anyway, guys, it's time to go.
Yeah.
So I hope you had a good day. I
We won't give you guys an expression today. We
enjoy the vlog. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment,
To subscribe to Body After Baby.
to subscribe to Body After Baby, and
Catch up and keep up.
catch up and keep up.
I'll tell them the catch up
And see you guys, and we see you guys tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Ooh.